Guys, Chris here with Super Savvy Travelers. Sorry about the sunglasses. I'm having eye issues today. Ugh. Anyway, they're ugly. That's why I don't want you to see them. Anyway, hey, I was thinking about a lot of things for the new year. You know, this is an exciting new year because, you know, Pete and I have come out the other end of some really bad, really bad stuff. And I will tell you something about when really bad stuff happens to you. You come out the other side. And you're bigger, you're better, you're stronger, you're more learned, you're more educated. And if you see the signs of something like this happening in the future, you're ready for it, right? And there's also a viewpoint shift that happens after that, meaning you've already had that horrible thing happen to you. What could be worse, you know? I mean, maybe death. Death could be worse, but I don't think that's going to occur with anything that I'm planning on doing in 2026. So I kind of decided now, what would happen? What would really happen if I took 2026 and made it the year of fearlessness? Like, let's say, you know, you haven't talked to somebody in 20, 30 years and you think about that person all the time and you go, God, it's too late. I have too much time. No, call that person. What could happen? Okay, you're not going to die from it. And on the other side, if it goes poorly, then you know. You know, what if you threw your whole heart and soul into a pursuit? You know, take one of your hobbies that you love and you know, maybe you want to make it a career. Go ahead and throw yourself into it. What could happen, right? The worst that could happen is that you learn a bunch of stuff along the way. So obviously I'm not going skydiving because I do have 2 artificial hips and an artificial ankle, so that's not going to occur. But 2026, the year of fearlessness. I think we're going to see some pretty exciting things. And I want you guys to weigh in here. I want you to tell me what fearless thing you're going to do this year. Happy New Year, guys. Here's to the year of fearlessness. Let's get going, and I'll see you soon.